Hi, I'm JT, and in this episode of Join the Fun, you'll see how I made those mammoth tracks and how I crafted the amazing fake tusks. The tracks were easy enough to make. I used a 5-gallon bucket and bolted this cardboard oval onto each of two and tromped through the snow, taking big steps. It was a lot of fun. And the tusks. Okay, let me show you what I tried first. So PVC is normally a great construction material, and I thought if I had a nice big drain pipe like this, 6 or 8 inch diameter, and I heated it in the center and then pulled from each side, it would stretch out and it would thin in the center, and I could cut it in the center and then form it, bend it into a wonderful tusk shape. But that didn't work out. So I did take a scrap piece of PVC pipe. This one was painted with Ithaca Journal on it. Made a campfire, tried to soften it and stretch it into the shape I wanted, but that did not work. It just turned into a soft, leathery, squishy mass of pipe, and it wouldn't stretch. So I gave up on that idea. So how did I create this amazing set of very fake looking tusks? I used a sculpture process that used wire and great foam, expandable insulation foam. Let me show you. Then I used chicken wire to sculpt the tusk and filled that with the spray foam. And as I went, I filled in all of the gaps so that I could and used about 6 cans. Then I trimmed the foam tusks and smoothed them with a sander. And during this process, it's very important to wear like an N95 mask, because the small particles of foam float in the air and can be dangerous to inhale. I could have stopped here in hindsight and made the tusk just work as is at this point without going to the next 2 steps. But I did. I was looking for something even smoother and not sure it really worked. So I then wrapped each tusk in cellophane to get a smoother surface without the gaps, and I spray painted both of these so I could get a ivory color and have it look maybe more authentically real, or not, as it turns out. The woolly mammoth story was inspired by the work of Hugh Troy. And if you'd like to hear another story of wild animals running loose across campus, check out this book about the wonderful life of Hugh Troy.